This is the Gong, or the local name is Gangsa. Tapis or laoy is a hand-woven rectangular piece of cloth which is a one wrap around oneself as clothing or skirt, which has used by women in the Cordillera.
Saan tayo mapaspasan? Tana pagkatidalan, amangan madama ilawan. At tinulong nga ginawa, dalan pa sa
Furcus or G-string is also a hand-woven cloth used by men to cover their body parts, wrapped around the waist with a lace in front and at the back. The Takonak dance.
Burnham dancing the Igorot dance for Brian.
Tayaw or eagle dance, where there is a pair of dancers with the beat of gongs. Manidchu or male dancer and the Mineshung or female dancer. Takik is a love or courtship dance and can be faster or slower with different movement depend on where town you are from. Gong has always been an important part of the Cordillera people's culture that has been passed on from one generation to another. The gangsa is a single hand-held smooth surface gong with a narrow rim. There are different ways to beat the gong and can produce different lovely music that can be accompanied by different body movement dance, especially the movement of the foot and both hands. For example, the eagle dance, the takonak dance, the takik dance, chinayap dance, and many more. And because we Igorots love and appreciate our culture, so we often practice it on occasions like in weddings, fiestas or festivals, and also in the school extracurricular activities and many more.